Guys, in this week's Human 7 Supergirls is Freestyle, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make slime in a hotel room. And you know, like people who need to make slime, they've got slime issues and stuff. Well, this is my friend Sharan. I met him on holiday. You might not know him, but we are going to be making slime in the hotel room because
and right now we're in my room.
Yeah, we're in his room making it.
Yeah.
Because my room didn't have that much ingredients. You need to look there, okay? Anyway, so what you're first going to need is a cup. Obviously, or a bowl. I don't think you need, hold up, shampoo. Hold up, wait. Shampoo. You probably need 2 pots of these. And
you need 1 carton of
bath gel. So let's go on with the video. Oh, also you need a spoon, and you need a fridge. Otherwise, it won't work.
Of course, everything that's right.
Well, sometimes not in a hotel room. Anyway, so what you want to do is add all of the things that you've got. So add that in there, and I think that could be good. Wait, go and get another bath gel. Go get some more bath gel. Okay, I'll scoop it back.
No. Shall I get 2 more?
Huh?
Shall I get 2 or 1?
What?
Bath gel.
Just 1 bath gel. It's almost kind of turning like into slime. There's no left. Hold up, guys, we'll be back in a sec. There is no more bath gel, but that's okay, because we still got it. Lay down, you. We're doing this at the door right now, so it's very uncomfortable. You might ruin that. We want to be careful of how much we add. So once we've done that, you're going to put it in the fridge for 5 minutes. So, alright, so, my knee. Anyway, so the next slime we're going to be making is Mentos slime, and I love the storming flavour, and it's bubble fresh. Can you see that?
Edible.
Yeah, and this slime's going to be edible. So all you need, this is a 1 ingredient slime. All you need to do is get all your Mentos chewing gum, and you want to untie them. And they're really easy to untie as well. And you want to mix them. You just want to put them there.
Can I do the last one?
Oh, I've just done it. Right. So now we've done these. Now you've taken all of them out. Got them here. We're going to mix them up like that. You want to make sure they stick together. Yeah, they're really hard. It's really hard to stick together. But anyway. Alright, what you want to do for this slime is, it told us on the internet I thought that was just one of our parents. Sorry, that was just someone outside. Anyway, it told us on the internet not to leave it out there for a little bit. Otherwise, if we keep on needing it, I'll throw this in the bin. Hold up, it hasn't been 5 minutes yet. Hold up, guys. See you in a minute, because we're just going to put this. You're not missing out on anything. We're just going to put that to set, and then it should be coming back. So guys, we ended up adding a bit more to it to make it nicer, because it really wasn't turning out that right.
Yeah.
And
not that good.
No. So we are going to be back in about a few minutes. Yeah. Okay. Hold up, guys. So guys, we ended up having to make some double We had to end up getting some double effect eye makeup remover because from Nivea. It's because it wasn't really coming together after 5 minutes, like set timer. It didn't really work. So we just need to add some contact lens solution into it and it should work. Yeah, it's coming together. Okay guys, this was a fail. Do not try this at home because it is really a fail. So we'll be back when this is good. Yeah, so be back in a minute. So guys, come down. So the slime that's edible did turn out really good. And it's just like the most amazing slime in the world. It's not that stretchy, but it's really cool. Plus you can eat it, so that's even cooler. So we are now going to be showing you how to make sunscreen one. So what you'll be needing is body lotion, sunscreen, sunscreen, and contact lens solution. So once you've done, now you've got all of your ingredients.
Yeah.
You want to get your body lotion and just put it in. Just pour. After that, you want to add, stinks in your room, a bit of this and mix it up.
And then you want to put it in the fridge.
You want to put
it in the fridge for 5 minutes.
After that, add a bit of your contact lens solution and mix. Now we've done that, we're going to add that in the fridge. So go put that in the fridge.
For 5 minutes.
So guys, we are, come on.
I need to set the timer.
Anyway, quickly.
Siri, can I have the timer for 5 minutes?
Okay, 5 minutes.
Alright, anyway. So none of them really work except from the edible slime. So don't try the different ones because the people just giving you a swizz basically. They're basically doing clickbait. So this only worked. Just make sure you like, subscribe and share with friends, and if you don't like it, you don't like it, and give me a hate comment or a like comment, I don't care. Just as long as you like my videos and I'll keep going. So bye guys, hope you enjoyed our video.